Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog, and it's me John Dalsandam, and right now you are watching my channel, that is Hell Hole. So today let us first give thanks to God for his blessing that we can meet again in this another vlog. So today I will be going to somewhere. It will be a trip to Doiheng, which is a village in Dima South district of Assam. It is a program that it is called Va-Kûtpui in Mar, and actually it is also called Bird Festival. So I'll be witnessing that festival. I'm very excited. You may be very surprised when I speak about bird festivals. Yes, I don't know, I don't have any knowledge about bird festival. This will be the first time I'm going to attend. So I'll try to let you see as far as it is possible, and I'll try to cover up the program and also the birds and the people out there. So now I'm getting ready for that. So here it's my backpack. I'm going to take this, and in here I have some equipment for the video. I'll do my best, and I think it may be very good, and you may like the video. So now let's go, let's keep moving now. So now we have reached Lamding. So if you are coming from Dipu to Lamding by roadway, you will come across to this place. Here you will find a small hotel here. So we will be having tea break, and after that we will be moving out from here again. So we'll see again. Now we are done with our tea. It's time to leave this place. So we will see on the way again. It's time to move on. So let's go. It's raining. Here we stop again in the middle of the highway. When we come out from home, from Dipu, it was 2 p.m. and now it is already 4 p.m. exactly 2 hours. So we stop in the middle of the highway for refreshing ourselves, and it has been raining since we come out from home. So I don't know what it will happen out there in Doiheng. But still then, we are we have to keep on going. So let's go. Na tu kanan vel cara tun kan tunga I Doiheng program mang na ding hun chu kan ai tung ani tuin ngong en tir ding che wani lawan ai de
a program pangai tak khat chu ei nei thei ding ring no ngai ta I program sequence ei nei ding ngai no ngai ta for example hla in pol lim na ring mangai ta mi pui hai kho manum nom hilain thangai ta
Doi alam no vang doi a ding a mai không có hồng no ni làm thế Với tâm bi thu im bên là đang khổ em vui tình nghe aro en lên dan sain bi thu ter mo in la hey boxy la luna te san ben pinsi isak men mo sung do na trong bao su
Jiwa som pakhat hin hun mang chamita tual khom hun mang kip dingin